Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video I'll try to talk about the display review of the MI Linux device after using more than 50 days of usage. So yes friends, it's been 50 days of long-term usage with the MI Linux device, and in this entire video I'll try to talk only about the display. So what are the things I did notice during this time of display, what are the advantages and what are the disadvantages, what are the main things I like in this phone. So everything regarding the display I'll try to talk in this entire video, and in case if you feel any other advantages and any other disadvantages, make sure to comment below what are your problems with the MI Linux device mainly particularly. So first let's discuss about what are the specifications of the MI Linux phone we did get. So first thing, the phone has got the Super AMOLED E4 type of panel friends, which is the first advantage which the phone has got. And next is a HDR 10 Play certified and 1300 nits of peak brightness. That's also another good advantage. And we do have the Gorilla Glass 5 protection as well on this phone. And in terms of the refresh rate, the phone has got the 120Hz refresh rate and 360Hz touch sampling rate. That's also another biggest advantage in this phone, as you can see friends. So there is no 90Hz option, so only 60Hz or 120Hz. That's another thing. So overall the phone has got really good 360Hz touch sampling rate. That's a really better touch sampling rate friends when compared with the IQ7s or maybe the Realme X1 Max as well. I did like the touch sampling rate in this particularly MI Linux device. It feels really smooth using this kind of display. So not only while using normal, the main advantage for this MI Linux is while watching media. Yes friends, so while watching a lot of Netflix or maybe Amazon Prime, if you're that kind of person, then definitely you can 100% trust this MI Linux device and you can buy it for the display. Yes, so out of other phones, this part is my favorite part about the MI Linux device, which I cannot ignore regarding the display part. And in terms of the display, there are a couple of advantages in terms of the software optimization mainly. So I think this way I got slightly attracted to this kind of MI Linux device. The first main thing is because of the small size punch hole. So let's talk about the punch hole friends. Just before this video I did experience this kind of comment. As you can see, let me try to show you the comment which I got right now. So this exact comment which I got friends right now for regarding the MI Linux device. So as you can see, make sure to comment below in case if you have this kind of issues regarding the punch hole. As you can see friends, so he did mention that some of the pixels around the small punch hole areas are kind of not working, as you can see. So it looks larger than usual. That is what I did complain. So in case if you feel while using the MI Linux device, so make sure to comment below friends. That will be really helpful, not only for me, even for a lot of other users. So people who are facing actual that kind of problem. But my unit doesn't have any of those kind of issues regarding the punch hole area location. So everything was completely fine friends in this phone. I did not have any kind of issues regarding this punch hole side, as you can see. And that small punch hole is the one thing which I got particularly attracted. And there's another part which is having the software optimization. So there's a lot of software optimization where you can actually enhance the colors and display as well, as you can see, which looks really fantastic friends. This is what the option which I really miss while using the other Realme phones or any IQ phones. So these are the really interesting part. My favorite feature is to try the HDR mode. So it's really good friends using the HDR mode. I did like, so not only while watching a normal MX player, even while watching the YouTube, maybe Amazon Prime, some of the applications are not supported, some of the applications are supported, but I think in the video toolbox most of the applications should be kind of supported. So as you can see, so it looks really great in terms of using the vibrant mode. Vibrant mode will increase a lot of brightness. As you can see friends, some kind of effects is going on. So it's fantastic friends. The display is absolutely the good, so no issues. Even you do get the small bezels around the display, which also really great, even the bottom bezel as well, so no issues. And there are a couple of things like a green tint issue. So there's some users that did face a green tint issue problem in the MI Linux device. Not all the MI Linux users, so only few units might have this kind of green tint problem in the MI Linux phone. That is the one thing which I thought of mentioning. So all friends, after 50 days of usage, my impression is still the same as before, how it is about the display quality and everything. I did like enjoying the display, so no issues. Apart from the green tint, there's not much big issues happening with the MI Linux display. So in case if you have any other problems regarding the MI Linux display, so make sure to comment below friends. So definitely that will be really helpful. And even the outdoor sunlight visibility also another which is the biggest advantage for this mobile phone. And one more thing I forgot to mention, the auto brightness decreasing, there's some kind of problem is going on in the MI Linux device. So when you try to play the games and if you try to use the brightness slightly more, So with the high temperatures, the brightness will automatically decrease without your permission. It will decrease to save the to save, not to increase the temperature. So that is the main purpose of decreasing the brightness, to avoid the high temperatures. That is what did happen in the MI-Linux device previously. So when I did plenty of CPU throttling test and a 3D benchmark comparison between other smartphones, at that time I did notice, friends, this kind of things happening in this phone. So make sure to check the playlist for the epic comparisons, and there you can find the 3D benchmark test which I did on this phone. So in the test, after a certain time, the brightness automatically decreased. I did observe why, because of the slightly increase in the temperature. So when the temperatures are increasing, the brightness will automatically decrease sometimes. Still happening in my MI-Linux device. So it doesn't mean in all the MI-Linux device this problem will be there, only in the few units, I think so. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video. This is a complete overall review about this MI-Linux device, and overall I'm really happy with this display part of this phone. So strongest point in my opinion for the MI-Linux is the display. So not the performance, not the camera, not any other thing. The display is a really good advantage. Samsung's E4 type panel is really good. When I compare with other smartphones as well, it feels really premium as well while watching videos. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned. If you have any other queries, make sure to check the playlist for more details. Until then, see you. Bye.